Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Just dropped the FOMC statement, Fed funds rate. Let's have a fun time. Now let's have a fun time in trading here. Now we're going to have some fun, yeah? I hope we have some fun now. I hope we have some fun now. That's what I'm hoping for. Good morning, everybody. We're trading the FOMC, post-FOMC price action. We're going to let a minute pass. All right, now we are free to trade. Let's go ahead and take some trades here off of the news. Got a nice push up, but what I like to do is wait for the 5-minute candle to finish. The news, this is basically the news bar, right? I want this 5-minute candle to finish, and then we'll make a trade based off of that. Does that make sense? We'll make a news trade based off of this. Based off the break of the first 5-minute candle after news. Pans, special stream. Special FOMC. We are live. Let's get it, Panis. Let's get it. We're down 831. We can make this back up so easily. So incredibly easily. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Let's wait for price action to tell us what we need to do. Currently got a strong push upwards. Big spike up, big spike back down. Looks confusing. Could be more confusion. The candles are now large, right? They're about 16, on average, 16 points large. Pandas, drop those GAs. Good afternoons in the chat. Here we are, ready to stream. We're ready to lock and load and ready to go here. We are ready, locked and loaded, ready to go. Let me make sure my trade copier is correct because I have made some dumb mistakes before. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Oh, weird. It's very weird. Okay. It's wacky, right? The first bar on the 5-minute chart after news. Let's let this form, and then we get a better idea of what's going to happen today, hopefully. Very confusing, I'll tell you that much right now. $500 tickets everywhere. Big up, big down. Looks like trading range. Looks like market's confused. You got to love that. You got to absolutely love that. Market's confused out of its cabeza. Straight up out of its cabeza. So confused. Pandas. Scalp that like button. Drop a hi in the chat. Let me know you guys are here. Special FOMC stream. Pandas. Pandas. Market might wait for Jerome Powell to start speaking, and then this might start launching one way or another. If I had to guess, I don't know. Probably up. Probably up. Probably up, but who knows? Okay. First candle on the 5-minute almost finished. Right, first candle on the 5-minute almost finished. I might sell at the break of the range here. Let's go small here. Let's go small here. Okay, get a hit. I try to sell right at the bottom of that range. We broke it, and then we came back up. I got hit just a little bit there. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Take this trade. Trying to get to the obvious target, which is the previous day's close. Another failed attempt down. With another failed attempt down, pandas, it's like really bad news. Another failed attempt down. This is going to reverse back up pretty strong, looks like. Yeah, it takes me out again. All right, I took another. I basically took the setup that I hate. A far away trap takes me out and goes back. We're down 2K, pandas. Oh, I hate FOMC days. What is this nonsense here? More and more of the same nonsense. I could try again, but at this point, I don't know, pandas. What am I really trying here? It's just confusing, right? It's basically making a expanding pattern here. Big up, big down. Maybe big up again. Who knows? Who knows? Give me a good setup. That's all I ask for. Jeez, pandas. 17 points. Just 10 points there. Super choppy. Going down. I could try here, but it's a stupid trade. It's a stupid trade in my opinion. I'll try, whatever. Coming off the 20 MA. See if we can make a trade here. Bad signal bar now. Very ugly looking signal bar. It's absolutely reversing. Super strong bear bar. Just reversing on a dime. I thought we would hit a key area. Took 2 attempts at it. Both of them failed. I mean, limit order market, right? This can only happen with limit order markets. You just get bought up here. Goodness gracious. Could be a bull trend, who knows, right? It should have came down. You have this little area. This breakout area comes retest that breakout area. Pure limit order trading here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull bars in a row. Hey. And so your accounts are down. Well, you get payouts. Yeah, so 11 of my accounts are okay. 9 of my accounts had disparity, and so I'm trying to get them back up. We're down 2,000. It's really one trade. It's only as long as one trade isn't more than 30%. It's pushing back down. I mean, this is crazy. There's no way I could predict this. All right, look at the 2,500 tick chart. Super strong bull bar just gets folded. It's absolutely folded here. I mean, it's confusion. Market's confused. Market's just very confused here. Big up, big down, big up. Market's absolutely just so confused out of its cabeza. Fully confused out of its cabeza. Okay. Okay. Confusing bar on the 5-minute chart. I don't know what is that. What is that telling us? Came back up to retest this area here. Comes back down. Is that what it's telling us? I don't know. More or less. Just looks confusing to me. Maybe market's waiting for Jerome Powell, just like a day trader saying. Right, chop until Jerome Powell starts speaking. Okay, so I got you short. Not really interested here in anything. Just so confusing. Ah, jeez. Live by the trap, die by the trap. I think like I'm 13 out of 13. This setup failing. 13 out of 13. So sick. The odds of that happening are just like 1 in a million. 13 out of 13 times that failing. So confusing here. The market's so incredibly confused. It has no idea what's happening. Trap here, not interested though. Right, 2,500 tick charges, 3, 1. Basically, trading range right now. That's what the market's doing. It might be like this until Jerome Powell starts speaking. Incredible. Perfect trading range right now here. I'm about to just do this to see what happens. I might just go short here and see what happens. This is perfect trading range. So sick. It looks like it wants to make a new high. Right. Like a big push up here. It looks like it wants to make a decent push up here. It looks like it wants to like, I don't know. It looks like it wants to make a push up. The price action is laughable. This is so weird. The price action is actually laughable. Strong bull bar coming for trend line. Also bottom of trading range. Nice signal bar here. Clearly underneath the 20 EMA and the higher time frames. Sideways on the smaller time frame, right? 2,400 tick chart underneath the 20 EMA, 5 minute underneath the 20 EMA, 500 tick, going back and forth. I don't know. It seems like it wants to go up. It just seems like that. Can't explain it. Technically, it looks like a bear flag. But this looks like it has some explosive power to go upwards here. Huh. OI pattern on the 5 minute chart. Interesting. I wanted that fail second entry short, but didn't get it. Okay. It's not giving me my setup, but it might go without me. It's not giving me my setup, so it might just go without me because I'm waiting for my setup very patiently here. Fail second entry short is what I'm looking for. I'm eager to go long. Definitely eager to go long now. The OI patterns break both on the 2500 tick chart and 5-minute chart to the upside. Sean Bull bar could be a sign for the bulls to jump in soon. I'm waiting. I'm waiting patiently though. Waiting for my fail second entry short to trigger. At least if we get it here. Just being ultimate patient. Ultimate patience here. Exercising patience like crazy. Crazy patience here right now. Crazy patience here right now. Crazy patience. Fail second entry short. The dream. The dream setup right now just triggered. How high can we fly? How high can we fly? Strong bull bar, please. We get no such thing. Just patience. So much patience right now. Looking for that move up. I mean, if it takes me out, it takes me out. What can I do about it? If it takes me out, it takes me out. What can I do? It is what it is. Multiple hits here at the top of this trading range now. The OI patterns break to the upside on both higher time frames. I could go for like a wide stop like this. I could. But I don't know if I want to. Wide stop here. It will for sure be the end of this setup here. Super wide down here on the 5-minute chart. Two bear bars might be enough for me just to get out here. Let's call it quits after two bear bars. Yeah. We have to call it quits here.
Target filled.
I'll just take the hit, move on, next trade. I don't like these two bear bars in a row. I don't like how the inside bar is forming, right? This is an OI pattern, but this is your bar. I don't like that. Ends up being a second entry short here. 2500 tick chart also looks bearish now. I mean, you just got to get out when you see those two bear bars. If it goes back up, flies back up, it is what it is. But when you get a break of this trend, strong bear bar like that, and it just looks bearish across all time frames, I'm out. I'm out. I'm just out. I'm having a tough time here. I'm really having a tough time. I will need a miracle. An absolute miracle. All right. Let's see what the market has for us here. The pattern fails on the 2500 tick chart, right? We're completely sideways now. And we had an OI pattern here. Outside, inside, and broke to the upside of the OI pattern. But then it broke to the downside of the OI pattern. So that means this pattern fails because people are looking for one-to-one on that breakout. 5 minute as well. Well, 5 minute actually didn't break the low yet. I got out perhaps prematurely, but I saw 2 bear bars here. And I just said, forget it. Forget it. Like, it's too risky at this point. Just waiting. Basically, big triangles forming, higher time frames. You got a big triangle here. 2500 tick chart, right? Triangle. 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 I mean, it makes sense because they're waiting for Jerome Powell to speak. So we got triangles on the higher time frames. On the 5 minute chart, triangles as well. Triangle after triangle after triangle here. Lower high. Seems like everyone's waiting for Jerome Powell to start speaking. Eight minutes. Very confusing right now, price action, because it's completely sideways. Down 2,700. Ugh. What's new? What's new, pandas? What is new? Austin, here, you come back from further down. I have. Let's see if when Jerome Powell starts speaking, if we get some favorable price action. When the price action is good, I can make it back, but the price action continues to be this bad, there's not much I can do. I'm about to make another short. Are you guys ready for more content here? I'm about to make some more content today. Get ready. Okay. Looks bearish across all time frames right now. Looks quite bearish across all time frames. It's beneath the 20 EMA in all time frames right now. Hey, triangle's breaking. Broke, but came right back up. Incredible move up. Failed breakdown. Moving back up. Very strong move up, in fact. Three strong bull bars, in fact. Choppy, in fact. All right, we're just back. It looks like it's trying to do something, but really, we're just doing this. We're doing absolutely nothing. This is what we've been doing this entire time. Kicks and giggles, just go short here. Should I? Dare I? Kicks and giggles, just go short right here. I would if the 2500 tick chart didn't have such a strong bull bar ending on its high. It's just hard for me to go short. Anytime I see this, this is hard for me to go short. It's just very hard for me to go short like that. It'd been enough for a little bit, a little scalp. Little scalperoo. 10-point scalp. Enough for a 10-point scalp. Better than anything I've seen so far. Jerome Powell's about to start speaking around 2:30. 2.5 minutes. Let's see what the FOMC was about. Fed funds rate, they didn't move it. 4.5 still. Absolutely ridiculous. Market's not doing anything. Well, good news is, pandas, housing market should continue to keep going down. Right, the prices should continue to go down. That's the good news here. Look at the brighter side of things. You thought the price action would be better after FOMC, but in fact, it's worse. It's doing nothing. You would think the price action would be better after FOMC, but it's worse. You would have thunk. You certainly would have thunk. All right, Jerome. Give us your best shot here. High or low? Comes to the middle of the trading range. Kind of back where we were before in this same situation here. But maybe it's a second attempt at it. Second attempt to blast off here. We'll see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. Absolute filthy price action. Jerome Powell should be speaking soon.
2500 tick trap.
Okay. I mean, let's try it again. What you got? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Overall, it looks kind of bearish too.
5-minute trap.
Whoa! Okay, big push down. Okay. I need to get out of this range, pandas. Like, really. That's the main thing here. Jerome, get us out of this range. I believe in you. Get us out of this range. I believe you can do it. I need to get out of this range before taking a trade. Unless I want to trade the range itself. Which I'm definitely not confident doing. I'm always too late. I mean, I try to be smart and not go long here. But when I try to be smart, the market says, you're an idiot. I got to do more idiotic things to match this idiocracy of the market. Goodness gracious, pandas. Goodness gracious. Keep on guys. What's one good thing that makes someone profitable long term on a cash account? Honestly, risk management. That's like 99%. Not, I think it's like 90% of it. Good system, of course. You need a system that works. Plenty out there. I happen to use this one. It's blasting off, pandas. Like, I try to do the reasonable thing here and not go long on this stupid signal bar. And market says, "What are you doing? You got to go long when it makes no sense." And now it's just blasting off. Like, you think it makes sense to go long here? No, it makes sense to go long here in the worst signal bar of all time. We're finally breaking out of this range. Maybe the market has decided where it wants to go now. Perhaps it has decided. Regardless, I need a setup here. Regardless, I need something. It's a second entry long, but it's not one you can take. Right? The one you can take is one coming off this trend line and 20 MA if it comes to it. That is the one you can take. We're still in the range of the news bar. We're still in range of the news bar. The 5-minute chart, this is the news bar range. We're still in the range. We're still inside it. It looks like it wants to test the top of it, though. With no absolute entries, I may just have to go always in long somewhere. I may just have to go always in long somewhere. It makes no sense to go long here, but you gotta do what makes no sense, you know? Know what I mean, pandas? You gotta do what makes no sense, know what I mean? Going long at the top of a channel? Sure, why not? You gotta do what makes no sense. Oh, I got him way too early on that. I made a boo-boo, pandas. I got him way too early on that. Oh, I might pay the price on that. Big time. Oh, yeah, I'm paying the price on that big time. Like, major big time. Pay the price on that. Yeah, we're so good. We're so good. I made a boo-boo. I read the time wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. Big push down. What is this nonsense? Super strong bull bar ending on its high. Big push back down. What is this nonsense? Just gets folded. Did Jerome say something weird? That was a silly trade. All right. I got this. Next trade, Pandas, will be a dub. I'll tell you this. Next trade will be a dub. I'll tell you this right now. Goodness gracious, just gets folded. Look at the 5-minute. This bull bar no folder just gets folded every single time. Pure limit order market. The pure limit order market, I should technically be buying here for no reason. Jeez, too scary though for me. I just can't trade limit order markets. It's too hard for me. Oh, eye pattern here. Oh, eye pattern. Breaks to the upside. I made a boo-boo. I made a dumb mistake right there. Very stupid mistake. But no matter. I would have lost that trade anyways. I was just trying to go long. I was trying to go long on that. 2 bull bars in a row. First entry here. Top of a trading range. Come back down into it. Big push down. But big up, big down. Trading range. Price action. The price action hasn't gotten any better. Truly has not got any better after the news. In fact, if anything, it got worse. It just got worse. Goodness gracious, Pandas, I can't take this. I can't take this, Pandas. Such bad price action. It's going completely sideways. Down 3K. So stupid. So dumb. I don't know, Pandas. Just making an even bigger triangle. That's what this is doing now. Triangle of triangles. I feel it slipping, Pandas. I feel these accounts slipping, and I hate it. I mean, I still got $3,000 of threshold, which is like plenty. But man, I'm losing it, Pandas. Look at the price action we've been dealing with for the last 8 weeks. Like, how long is this dry land gonna last for? This chop land. How long are we gonna be in here for? Goodness gracious. It's so bad. This pops up for no reason. Alright, whatever. Cool. Cool. Huge push down, just pops up for no reason. Very cool. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know what to do here. We created an even bigger triangle. Big up, big down. Still confusion. Lots of overlapping bars. Still a lot of confusion here. No direction. Look at the 5-minute chart. So ridiculous. Strong bull bar ending as high. Gets folded and comes back up. It's absolutely folded. How do you trade this? Come on, Jerome. Come on, Powell. Do something nice for us for once. So dumb. So stupid. This price action is so dumb. It's actually so stupid. Completely sideways. Let's wait for this breakout. And when it breaks out, I try to get in and then it just reverses sharply. I mean, it's no setups can happen here. I'm a trend trader, pandas. And for the last 8 weeks, it has been completely choppy.
5-minute trap.
Let me just show you just how choppy it's been. All of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 days, trading days of absolute trash. That's 5 full weeks in a row of absolute trash price action. 5 weeks in a row. What am I supposed to do? Goodness gracious. What are you supposed to do in this absolute diarrhea type price action? Nothing. That's the answer. Nothing. I should have just done nothing this entire day. Look at this trash. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but this is just untradeable price action. Absolutely untradeable. Hoo-wee. Breaking out. Very cool for no reason. Cool. Okay. It's breaking out. Cool. What am I going to do? Cool. Cool breakout. What am I going to do? Just go long? Should I try to catch it early? Is that the goal here? Or are we going to continue our trash price action? Are we going to just get folded right now? Is this market just going to fold on us? The first reversal, is it going to fold? What I mean by fold, it literally gets folded. Like, look at this. It's like a piece of paper just gets folded. Limit order buys here. Okay, limit order bulls are winning. Somewhat, a little bit. Barely, but they're winning. Going completely sideways now. Untradeable. Price action continues to be untradeable. Completely worthless, pandas. Absolutely worthless. Such worthless price action. If the pattern continues, this should get folded and come back down. If the pattern continues, this should get folded soon. 8 top. That pandas, that means it's absolute trash. What in the world is this, pandas? Going completely sideways, 5 overlapping bars in a row now. Very cool. Very, very cool. Fantastic. Wonderful. Very cool. Oh, pandas. What can I say? I hate this price action. I hate this. I've hated the market for the last 7 weeks. I've hated it. Yep, getting folded. Pandas is untradeable. Absolutely untradeable. It's just folded. You can't. It's hard to call these tops. It's hard to call the tops. Hard to call the bottoms as well. If you can call this top, can you call the bottom? Where's the bottom? This pivot low. This pivot low. This pivot low. Which pivot? Which pivot? What pivot you want to use? Exactly. You just don't know. This is untradeable. Good luck to anyone who's trading right now. Good luck. Thoughts and prayers to you. Absolutely untradeable price action, if you ask me. More or less the same of nonsense. More or less the same of absolute trash PA. Absolutely folded here. Are we trying to catch the bottom? You want to go long here? You want to go long here? Go long here. Where? Where do you want to do it? Really hard to tell. I guess it's long here. Like, look at the 5-minute chart. The moment this bar closes, it gets sold with limit orders. The moment it gets closed. Moment this bar closes, it just gets sold. Limit orders. You know it's a hard market. Market conditions are very difficult when you see stuff like that. Bottom of this bar gets bought up with limit orders. Absolutely ridiculous. So the question is, if it comes back up here, is it going to get sold? If it's a strong bull bar, will it just get sold just like this? The question is just very difficult to trade, in my opinion. And the smaller time frames are not helping either. It's not like you're getting setups on the small time frames to help you trade the trading ranges on the higher time frames. It's not helping. Whew. New low created.
Target filled.
Even though I won 2 points, it just feels nice to win. It just feels nice to win. You know what I mean, pandas? It just feels nice to win. 2 points, I don't care. It just feels nice to win sometimes. You know what I mean? It just feels kind of nice to win sometimes. Still within the range of the news bar. Right, here's a news bar. Still within its range. Cool. Absolutely no opportunities. Just watching this. Just watching this. I mean, I'm red. More than being like frustrated being red, it's just the fact that there's just absolute trash price action. 40 million days in a row. It's literally 42 days in a row. Absolute trash price action. I can't even go back far enough to show you how much trash price action we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If we skip these 2 days, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All of these days, none of these days are good actually for price action. None of this entire move up, none of these days have been good for price action. Super choppy. It's just been choppy, pandas. Like, look, this is the daily chart. It's just been so choppy. It's unbearable. It's actually unbearable right now. It's impossible to trade. I can't do this. It seems like we're breaking down, I guess. Who knows? Coming to the bottom of the range of the news bar. I've lost this trade 5,000 times in a row. The day I skip it, the moment I skip this trade, it's going to work out. I'm actually going to skip this trade. It's going to work out beautifully. Watch. Outside bar reversal. Even worse reason to take it, but it works out a little bit. Starts to break out a little bit. In the bottom of the range. Obviously, you can't just go short right into that. For obvious reasons, but who cares? Who cares if you have reasons? Market doesn't care. Right, this failed second entry long, far away from 20 minutes actually works out when I don't take it. Right, at the bottom of a trading range. Like, it's just a worst possible combination of things, and it works out. It actually breaks down, and it actually works out when I don't take this trade. 13 out of 13 times, it's failed, and now that I skip it, it works out in the worst way possible. Like, what can you do about it, though? What can you do? Who cares if it works out? It's not a trade I'm taking. Absolute trash price action, pandas. I can't say it enough. I can't say it enough. Also here, max payouts with bad price action. Exactly. We got max payouts on 11 of our accounts. These 9 accounts are suffering. I don't think I can even get payouts on these. They're just suffering right now. I just need one good day, pandas, please. Give me one good day of good price action. We're just Corvettes for everyone. Exactly. Look at this. Like, what are we dealing with here? This is the price action for today. Like, what? Is Jerome Powell literally just sleeping? Like, what is he saying? Nothing? Is he just sleeping on the podium? He's sleeping, isn't he? I knew it. He's just sleeping. All first entries. Let's just keep going short here. And doesn't make sense to go short here, bottom of trading range. And if we finally start breaking out of it. Okay, pushing down for no reason, like out of nowhere. It's pushing down very hard. What are we doing here? What are we actually doing here? What is this, man? What am I supposed to do here? Like, what is this? What am I supposed to do? It's gonna be super far overextended now when it hits this. What am I supposed to do here, pandas? I don't even know. Doesn't even fill me. Doesn't even fill me. Doesn't even fill me. It just goes right through my order. Doesn't even fill me, pandas. Like, what am I supposed to do? It doesn't even fill me. It goes right through my order. I don't know. There's nothing I can do here. It literally, I can't even get in a trade. It went right through my order. Ripped right through it. So sick. So incredibly sick. I don't know. I don't care. I'm just going to go short here. I could care less. Balancing off 5,000 times. I could care less. We're going short here. Alright, now we're in a trade. Ah!
Target filled.
I'm just coming up break even. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's untradeable. It's absolutely untradeable. I guess I should have held it. I don't know. I should have just held it. I can't even. Pandas. The Ninja Trader cannot keep up. Ninja Trader literally cannot keep up with what's happening right now with these charts. And I'm getting like terrible fills right now because of this. I'm getting like terrible fills. Look, my fill was down here, pandas. I was trying to get filled here. What is this, pandas? Ninja Trader literally can't keep up with the market. How am I supposed to trade on this absolute trash platform? What in the world is happening? How am I actually supposed to trade on this trash platform? I don't even care. I'm going short. I don't care. Whatever happens, happens here. I actually don't care what happens here. Again, I can't get filled. I couldn't get filled in the right spot. It's a good thing because this is absolutely just reversing here. So sick. So sick. What is happening here, pandas? Again. Fail second entry long. Far away from 20 MA doesn't work out in your favor. I don't know. I'm going long. I'm going short here, whatever. Too many overlapping bars in a row at this point. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row, but all underneath the 20 MA. It's absolute trash, man. It's absolute trash. What in the world is this? Unbelievable. It's unbelievable, pandas. Like, what are we dealing with here? Why do we have 4,000 overlapping bars in a row right now? I don't know. I'm just sick and tired of this. Whatever. Do whatever you want. I missed the move. It's no move. There's just no price action here for me to trade. Absolutely untradeable. So sick. Untradeable. It's so sick right now. Okay. Can't go short here. I mean, you're thinking of fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. You're thinking I was going to try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Right, it's a weekly gap here. You thought I would fill it. We got so close. But we didn't. We just didn't. Before we fill it, we're just reversing. So, what can you do about it? You got to trade what's in front of you. We're above the 20 MA now. I mean, fails against your shorts, our best trade here. When do I stop? Today, there is no stopping. Today, there is no stopping. I should have stopped a long time ago. I should have stopped a long time ago. It's just every single day, Panda's like, can I get one good day of price action? That's all I'm asking for. Like, look at this. Look at what it turned into. Look at it. It had decent price and then turned into this. But no entries the entire way down except this trash trade that I always get burned on. Actually works out in your favor. Doesn't fill the weekly gap. Cool. Doesn't fill it. Just boom. Just gets folded here again. Gets absolutely folded here. It's a super strong bull trend. Super strong reversal. No setup. No fails. I got your short. Nothing. Nothing to partake in this move back up. It just goes back up. That's it. That's all you got. Very cool. It's very cool. I mean, what can you do? It's very cool. Very, very cool. What can you do? Just gotta watch it go up with no entries. That's what today's market's about. Just makes huge moves up, down, no entries, and then when you get in, when you have an entry set up, completely chops you up. That's just the nature of the market for the last 8 weeks. It's just impossible to trade. I'm just watching. I don't care anymore. It's absolute trash. So dumb. So dumb, pandas. Like, I just need one good day of price action. Like, it's just like, what is this nonsense? What is this? Like, what is this? What are we doing here? It's impossible. There's nothing to trade here. This is the setup I hate. This is the setup that always burns. 13 out of 13 times I've tried, I got burned doing this. I've been keeping track. 13 out of 13 tries, I got burned on this setup. The time I skip it, it makes a huge move down. And I'm going to skip it here and see what happens. Probably make a huge move up. But it's just a setup I cannot take any longer. What am I supposed to do, pandas? What am I supposed to do here? Seriously, what am I supposed to do? Most frustrating, most... Like, BPCF asked, like, when should I should have stopped a long time ago. It's almost like... There's no return anymore. There's no return. It's absolute trash, man. It's like, what in the world is this trash? So dumb. So stupid. It's so dumb. It's like, it's untradeable. Bearish on most time frames right now. MetaTrader 5, maybe. Like, NinjaTrader literally cannot keep up with the price action. It's too slow. It's too clunky. I don't know what's happening here. I'm not going to go long. If anything, I'm going to go short or lower high. Okay, cool. Cheers. Oh my gosh. And this is the worst part of it. I don't know what to do here. Feels like entry longs I'm looking for, I guess. Second entry long, good signal bar, but no, it's just one key area. All right. What do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here, pandas? What do we got here? Let me just get a win. I just need a dub. I just need a dub. I just need a dub, pandas. That's all I need. Doesn't have to be big. I just need a dub. Doesn't have to be big. Jeez. I just need a dub. Doesn't have to be big. Small risk trade here. Potentially good risk reward. Really good risk reward here. Looking for a new low. Gets absolutely folded. Get folded. Every single trade get folded. Every single trap gets folded. Trap here gets folded. Trap here gets folded. Every single trap I take gets folded, pandas. Like, it's absolutely insane. Mind you, 2500 tick chart. Strong bear bar ending on its low. OI pattern as well. Doesn't go anywhere. Does nothing. Does absolutely nothing. I just take the hit and move on. I mean, there's nothing I can do here. I'm just looking for a new high, I guess. I don't know. Second entry short maybe on 2500 tick chart. It's absolute trash. I don't know. What do I expect here? Nothing. Super small risk. I mean, it's super small, but still. What's going on here? It's reversing now. I don't know. It's not even a second just short. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. It's not even a second just short on the 2500 tick. Doesn't trigger. Races to the downside. Cool. Means nothing to me. It's just too choppy. These sudden movements don't mean anything to me. Gets folded, right? Gets pushed down, gets folded back up. Everything's getting folded today. Right? Sudden move down, sudden move back up. Cool. Like these movements mean nothing. They have no. It's just completely choppy day today. Absolutely impossible to trade on a day like today. Just watching. Second just short. 2500 tick chart. I guess we're not filling the gap. I guess that's something you could just ignore for the rest of the day. Maybe the gap almost filled it, but we're flying away from it now. Just forget about it. It's not a trade anymore. It's not a thing. Just launching upwards now. So it's just impossible to trade today. Tell me, what are you doing here? Where do you feel confident to trade here? I mean, seriously. What's your trade here in all of this nonsense? What's your trade? What were you waiting for? What were you waiting for in all of this? It's absolute trash. So confusing. No rhyme or reason. Super huge bars. Just going up and down, up and down, up and down. Very choppy. Clear targets, can't reach them. It's just like, this is ridiculous. Man, I mean, it's untradeable. Like, what am I supposed to do? 8 weeks of this nonsense. 8 weeks, pandas. 8 weeks of this nonsense. Oh, gosh. About 8 weeks, you gotta think this is the norm. Second just short. 2500 tick chart was way above the 20 MA. Like, there's no setup here. Just no setup here. I don't know. What are you supposed to do, Candace? What are you supposed to do? There's no setup here. Super strong bull bar gets folded. Super strong bull bar gets folded. Super strong bear bar gets folded. Super strong bull bar gets folded and folded twice in a row. Super strong bull bar gets folded and just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So stupid. I'm sorry. It's absolutely so stupid. So dumb. Worst signal bar, second to short in the world, but it's a second to short. It's the worst signal bar in the world. Good luck for those taking that trade. Good luck. Second entry long. We're at the point of no return. Fail second entry long here. Every trap's been folded. I just can't take these traps anymore. Oh, the moment I enter, it just reverses suddenly. This one's no different currently. This one's no different. My God.
3500 tick trap.
Why am I even trying this? Why am I even trying this? Surely, why am I even trying this right now? Why am I even trying this? This is a Feels like in short coming off the previous day's low. I mean, why am I even trying this? I don't even know. Truly don't know why I'm trying this. So dumb. So stupid. 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 So incredibly stupid. Strong bull bar in near ties. Just gets folded. 5 minute. It's nothing here. Second just short on the 5 minute chart. So dumb. So dumb. It's the dumbest market of all time. Well, there's nothing else to say about it. It's the dumbest market of all time. There's nothing else to say. It's such a stupid market.
Target filled.
Cool. Whatever. I just don't care. Most trash market of all time. Absolute most trash market of all time. Look at this perfect balance of the previous day's low. That perfect balance of the previous day's low. Can I do anything about it? Like, can I go short against that? Support is too good. Support is too good. Support is too good right there. All right, the 5 minute bear bar, massive bear bar, it's getting folded. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. It's just crazy. There's a V bottom. This is gonna take me out probably break even. It doesn't give me any pivots to work with. I have 0 pivots to work with right now. I cannot go short against this super strong move back up. It's a super strong bounce. It's a V bottom, Pandas. Like, what am I supposed to do with the V bottom? What am I supposed to do with the V bottom? It's so sick. So incredibly sick that this bear bar gets folded like this. No follow through. 5-minute. Bear bar gets folded. Probably take me out break even. It's so sick. So sick. So sick, Pandas. I cannot trade this. Can I trade this price action? I'm sorry. I simply cannot do it. It just goes straight up. It takes me out. It's just crazy. Not one bear bar all the way up. It's impossible. Like, I'm expecting a little bit. I'm expecting one more push down. One more leg down, Pandas. Like, this is one leg down. I'm expecting one more leg down. And this is what I get. It's more than a 50% retracement. It's so sick. It's so incredibly sick, Pandas. Like, there's something wrong with this market. There's absolutely something wrong with this market. It's just an untradeable market. It's just something wrong with it. It's not healthy. Something's wrong with this market. It's absolutely lost its mind. It's just not right. The market's just not. This is not right. This V bottom like this, it's just not right. Simply, it does not make sense. Like, look at this bear bar, bear leg. Where's the follow through? This is one leg down. And it's V bottoms. Untradeable. Like, traders need some sort of reason to keep going short. You see this, you want to go short with this. Not just V bottom back up, take me out break even. It absolutely goes straight up, takes me out break even. It's so sick. It's so sick, Pandas. I can't, this is so sick, Pandas. Like, so incredible. I don't even have any pivots to work with. It goes straight down, straight back up. No pivots to work with. Whatever, Pandas. Like, just what am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to do here? Naturally, this should have another leg down. When you see a strong move down like this, naturally, 5-minute bear bar ending like this should have some follow through. Gets folded. And it's not taking me out break even. Right, what can you do about it, Pandas? There's absolutely nothing you can do. I don't care. It's a runner. Whatever. I'll let it run. Who knows? Maybe it's maybe something amazing will happen. Maybe I should be looking for longs now. Maybe it's completely reversed and lost its mind. All I know right now, Pan, is untradeable. Like, this market's untradeable. Like, when I see something like this, what am I supposed to do? You got a clear target beneath, filling the gap, the weekly gap. We never even get there. Not even close. Not even close, Pandas. This gets folded. Super strong bear bars on both time frames. The super strong leg down, breakdown essentially happens. It absolutely just gets reversed. It just gets reversed. No chance of follow through. It's ridiculous, Pandas. Like, what is untradeable price action here right now? Okay, cool. I'm still in this trade somehow by a miracle. For no reason, I'm still alive in this trade. For absolutely no reason, I'm still alive. No reason, I'm still alive in this trade. Alright, no, it takes me a break even. So sick, man. So sick. Like, so so sick. Look at this move down. So sick. No follow through. It's just so sick. Hey, what's the next thing that's gonna happen after this? Are we gonna break the low or are we gonna break this high? Oh, we don't break the low. We're gonna break this high first. If I showed you this and I asked you, are we gonna break the low of this bar on the next candle? Like on the next leg, what's the chances? Are we gonna break this low or are we gonna break this high? What's gonna happen first? 99.9999% of you guys will say, oh, probably this low will be broken. Nope. Doesn't get broken. Just flies back up. Now it's doing the 0.0001 thing. It's doing the 0.0001 thing. It's actually doing the 0.00001 thing. So sick. So freaking sick, pandas. I'm doing the 0.00001 thing. I'm going for the 0.0000001 thing now. So sick. I don't even care. So sick, this price action. It's so sick that it did this. It's just incredible. It's so sick, pandas.
Target filled.
I'm doing the trade. I said I swore I'd never take again. Fail second just short far away from 20. I swear I'll never take this trade again. I don't care if this works out. It worked out here. It worked out here beautifully, far away from the 20 MA, but makes a beautiful move down. It failed. Failed second entry short, failed here. Failed second entry short, failed here as well. So incredibly sick. Sorry about that, pandas. What do we do here? I really don't think there's much we can do. The price action's been absolute trash due to caca. All the back up takes me up break even. There's nothing you can do here. Just creating another triangle on the 5-minute chart. Strong bear bar, absolute fall. There just goes right back up. Panda's untradeable. I mean, I'm gonna end this day at negative 3,000. That's just nothing I can do about it. I'm gonna end this day at negative 3,000. Absolutely nothing I can do about it. Pandas is just ridiculous. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. This price action is so stupid. It's untradeable. It's actually untradeable. What am I doing here, pandas? What am I actually doing here? What a waste of time. Not only that, what a waste of money. Terrible price action. What in the world is this? Untradeable. What else can I say about it? I got no fall throughs on A bars. This is complete. Every bar gets folded. Big bear bar, no fall, gets folded. If I asked you, pandas, what would break first when you saw this leg down? If I asked you for what would happen, would this high break or this low break first on the next move on anything? What would happen? What would you bet on? 99.99999% confidence we would break this low down here first. This low never gets broken. In fact, it gets reversed, and now we're going to break this high. It's doing the 0.000001 thing. 0.000001 thing. Whoo! Unbelievable. Absolute trash. Every single day. If it's trash every single day, there has to be a way to trade this nonsense. There has to be a way to trade this nonsense. There has to be a way. I mean, there just has to be a way to trade this nonsense, right, pandas? I just have not yet unlocked the ability to do it. I have not been able to figure out how to do it. There is a way to do it. I just can't do it. I haven't figured it out. It's plain and simple. Truly, I haven't figured it out. I don't know how to do it. Pandas, this so ridiculous, pandas. So ridiculous. So stupid. Like, you would think you get at least some good price action after FOMC, but it gets worse. It got worse. Last trade. I don't even care what happens here. Last trade, pandas. I don't care what happens. Whatever happens, happens. Last trade of stream. Can't even get me back to couldn't get back to close yesterday. Couldn't get me there. We're gonna lose these accounts. We're gonna lose these accounts. Bye bye. Bye bye accounts. Absolute trash price action. The entire freaking 3 months of this nonsense. Trash pandas. Absolute trash pandas. Price action. Last 3 months, pandas. Like, these accounts are bye bye. Like, this is nothing I can do. Whatever. I'm keeping this trade. Whatever. I'm keeping this trade. Whatever happens, happens.
Target.
Okay.
Target
I mean, I can't. I mean, I don't know what's happening. I just know what's happening. Absolute trash price action, pandas, for freaking 3 months straight. Like, what am I supposed to do? It's actually going down to my target, but I don't care. It's just nothing you can do about this, pandas. This is like untradeable price action for 3-4 weeks in a row. Is it actually gonna get to my target, which was a close? It did this huge spike down, huge spike back up. I was like, all right, like if I can get a break even, I come out break even because it just did something so stupid. Actually gonna hit my target now. It's untradeable. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do, man? It's like, what am I supposed to do? Actually, it goes to the previous day's close. Like, it's coming back to. It basically did nothing all day today. It did nothing. It's making a doji day today on the daily chart. What am I supposed to do? Like, what are you supposed to do here? Like, what are you supposed to do in these? Like, this is like pandas. Like, what in the world is this? What am I looking at here? What am I actually looking at? What is this? Oh my goodness, pandas! It's done. Like, I mean, we're basically gonna be stuck at the previous day's close now. The rest of the day, I mean, we're done. Pandas, I'm ending it. This is absolute trash. I hate. This pandas. Like, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing to do. I'm ending it. Pandas. I mean, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys on Friday. I'll see you guys on Friday. Like, absolute trash. What can you do about it? It's absolute trash. You know, it's just every single day. How many weeks in a row is this? How many weeks in a row is this absolute trash price action gonna keep going on for? Absolute trash, pandas. Absolute. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at what we're dealing with. Those are the 5-minute chart. We actually made bamboo here because we had good price action. 5-minute chart. Absolute trash. 5-minute chart. Absolute trash. 5-minute chart. Pandas, like, what is this? What are we doing here, pandas? My goodness. My goodness. Every single day. Absolute trash. Whoo! Every single day, pandas. Every single day we get this absolute trash price action. Like, what? 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 Whatever, I'm gonna wish we're here. I'm going all. I'm going with all. I'm going with all I got. I'm going with all I got. Just coming back to the previous day's close, whatever. I'm doing all I got here. If we don't get there, so be it. So be it. We don't get here, so be it. We just get folded. We're getting folded. We're getting folded. Yeah, we're getting folded. We're getting folded. Can't even barely gets to the and it snaps back up. It barely fills me, snaps back up. Barely fills me, snaps back up. Barely fills me, then snaps back up, Pandas. So stupid. So dumb. So stupid. We're stuck here. We're stuck here. Rest of the day. We're stuck here at the previous day's close. People are just selling when he goes away from it, buying, gets away from it, just keeps coming back to the previous day's close. That's all they're going to do rest of the day. Every single day, Pandas, you get this horrid price action. Absolutely horrible price action every single day.
$2,500 tick trap.
Look at it goes away from it. It goes right back down to previous day's close. Amazing. So cool. So cool. It's over. It's over. I mean, this is so stupid. So incredibly stupid. This whole day was so stupid. Can't even fill the gap, the weekly gap. Can't even do that. It's just gonna get folded. Limit order market. Just so stupid. So stupid. All right, Pandas. I mean, I've gone through enough torture today. I seriously gone through enough torture today. It's absolutely insane how ridiculous these markets are right now. They're like untradeable. They're like like I almost want to take a break for like 5 months, come back to see if anything's changed, because I just really just don't want to trade in these markets. It's just like it's just impossible. Like these markets, these moves, like it's not something that I can trade as a retail trader. Like maybe as an institution, yeah, you're gonna buy this bear bar as an institution. Sure, why not? You have the capital to do so, but as a retail trader, I can't just buy this bear bar like this. I simply cannot. This market is meant to destroy retail traders. It's just insane, absolutely insane. I gotta move down. I don't know, pandas.
2,500 tick trap.
Just coming back to the previous day's close. What can I say? What can I say? Picking a doji bar on the daily chart.
$2,500 tick trap.
And there it is. Day's over. The day is over. Wow, we literally ended on the previous day's close. We just literally ended there. We weren't really around this area until like the second half of the day. I just didn't know we're going to close near it. We were so close to filling the gap on the weekly chart. I thought we were going to fill it today. Like, we were so close to filling it. $15 points. just can't believe it. Just can't believe it. So annoying days like today. So frustrating. Let me just remind you what the 5-minute looks like today. Just remind you, this is what we traded today. FOMC. FOMC, this is what happened after FOMC. Nothing. Nothing better. Got worse, in fact. I thought FOMC at least bring us some opportunities. Just didn't do anything. It's bad, pandas. It's bad. Really bad. Really, really bad. Daily chart. It's basically a doji bar here. So bad. It's so bad. It's so incredibly painful to trade this market. It's so incredibly painful, pandas. So incredibly painful, pandas. To trade this absolute trash can of a market. I cannot tell you how painful it is. It's terrible. It's terrible. I think I gotta spend some time going over the charts today and figure out when I see absolute trash price action like this, I gotta figure out a way to be profitable. I gotta figure out how to trade days like today because it's not gonna be the worst day, nor is it gonna be the last day of this type of absolute trash price action. I gotta figure it out, pandas. I have to figure it out. There's just no other way around it. Like, I gotta get better, and I gotta figure out days like today. It just feels almost impossible to trade days like today, but I gotta figure it out. I have to. I have to. You know, if you want to be successful in this business, like, you gotta figure out days like today. I gotta figure it out. I gotta review today's charts. I'm gonna do it in my own time. I'm absolutely exhausted right now. I'm exhausted from this price action. I'll see you guys on Friday. Tomorrow's a break. Juneteenth is a half day of trading, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading, God bless. Or Friday. As always, happy trading, God bless. Bye.